This lecture is based on lattice structure of NaCl. In this lecture, we'll be watching that how unit cell is divided and how Na ions and Cl ions are placed on the unit cell. First of all, NaCl is a rock salt that is ionic compound. It occurs naturally as white cubic crystal. That thing is clear to us that the NaCl is of cubic structure. The structure of NaCl is formed by repeating the unit cell. As NaCl is crystalline solid, so probably its structure is of repeating structure. That repeating point is known as the unit cell. Now, it has organized structure and has 1:1 ratio. Now, what does that mean? That means that we have one ion of Na and one ion of Cl. Now, let's see that how is its structure. Now, you can see here, just suppose that this is a single piece or single crystal of a salt. Now here you can see many repeating square structures. Now if we study this structure separately, like if we study this one box only, so that will be known as the unit cell. Now basically on the unit cell there are ions of chlorine and sodium placed. Now these ions are placed in an order that is known as unit cell order. It has repeating structure and each structure is connected and has a partition. We'll discuss it in detail. Now leave the whole structure and have a look on this. This is how a single unit cells look like. Now you can see here that the chlorine ions are connected. Now on which places chlorine ions are connected? First on the corners. Here we have 4 corners. And secondly on the faces. Now here we have 6 phases. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, just opposite 4, in back of it 5, and in back of it 6. So we came to know that there are basically 6 phases. Now, these chlorine ions are placed at the corners and the faces. Now, I have highlighted the ions present on the faces. This is how they look like. Now, let's make it bit scary. Now you'll be thinking that what is this? Basically, these ions that you are seeing here in the black color is sodium ions, Na. And these red ions are basically ions of Cl. This is how Na and Cl make a unit cell. Let's clear this figure. Just have a look on this figure. Now if I'll highlight the Na, so it is here, 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 and here. These are what? The corners. Let's count it on the face. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I have left this corner one. So this is a corner NA and these are the faces. So where Cl are placed? On the faces. And on what? On the corners. Now let's count this Na. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So what we came to know? That there are 13 Na ions. Now here where ions are placed? First on the edges, as we have 8 edges, and after that it is also present in the center. So what we came to know? That the Na cells are Na ions are present on the edges and the center. This was the detailed structure of lattice, and to find out the video about the coordinate structure and coordinate number, there is link in the description. Now there are basically 4 basic types of the structures. First one is known as simple cubic, where there is a single type of ions. Second one is known as BCC structure. Now in this structure there are basically, these two are same, so there are basically the different ion on the top and the bottom and also in the center. Is this the structure of the NaCl? No, because we also have sodium ions on the edges. So this is not the structure of sodium. Let's move onward. Now it is the FCC structure. Like there are the ions in the faces as well as in the center. This structure is of NaCl structure. Like we have the ions on the face as well as ions on the center. That's why it is called FCC structure. I hope that you have liked this video and learned a lot. Thank you.